Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with AI. In this short video, I will teach you how to build a modern portfolio website using AI, step by step. Even if you are a beginner in coding, don't worry, I will make it very simple for you. Today, we are building a professional developer portfolio website. It will include a homepage with your name, about section, skills section, project section, and a contact form. We will use AI to generate the code quickly instead of writing everything manually. Now I will open my AI coding tool like Cursor or ChatGPT. We are going to give it a simple instruction. Create a modern portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We also want dark theme design, yellow and black colors, smooth animations, clean layout. Now I will run the prompt. Now look at this. Boom, fire. AI is generating the full website code for us. We didn't write everything manually. AI is doing the hard work. This is the power of modern coding. Now I will open the website in the browser. As you can see, we have a beautiful homepage, clean design, modern animations, professional layout. This looks like a real developer portfolio. So now you understand how easy it is to build websites using AI. Now we have successfully built our portfolio website using AI. If you want to try this project yourself, I have provided the download link in the pinned comment below. You can download the full project, open it in your editor, and customize it the way you want. Change colors, text, and sections to make it your own. I have also shared the GitHub link where you can find the complete source code for this project. And don't forget, I will also share the AI prompts used in this project, so you can generate your own websites even faster using AI tools. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more videos like this, AI coding tutorials, web development projects, website building with AI, make sure you subscribe to Tech with AI and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Let's keep building with AI.